Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make some honey chili potatoes without deep frying them but using an air fryer here. So let us begin. Here we have taken some potatoes, washed them, peeled and sliced them, and now we'll be adding it in the boiling water. We'll add a teaspoon of salt to it and allow it to boil for 8 to 10 minutes. Make sure that it is not completely boiled. When you see that it is half boiled, then take it out immediately. We are taking it out on a cotton cloth to get rid of the excess water. Now we'll be drying it out really well. Once it is done, we'll be adding a bit of cornstarch to it and then mixing it really well. Make sure that each potato is coated with cornstarch properly. Now we have taken the air fryer and we'll be placing the potato wedges in it. We'll be setting the temperature at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes and keep on checking it in between. We can see the potatoes have turned absolutely light brown, and we'll be moving ahead and making the sauce for the honey chili potato. We have taken in some oil and we'll be adding some chopped garlic to it. Next we'll be adding some onions. When it is slightly light brown, go ahead and add some capsicums to it. Mix it really well. And next we'll be adding some red chili sauce, tomato ketchup, soy sauce and vinegar to it. Give it a good stir. And let it cook on a low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Next we'll be adding in some water. Add some crushed black pepper to it now. Once you see it is boiling really well, add some cornstarch slurry. Give it a good stir and let it boil for a few minutes. In the meanwhile, we can roast the sesame seeds. And now we'll add the air fried potatoes to the gravy and mix it really well until each potato is covered in the gravy. Once it is done, we have to add our main ingredient, honey, as per your taste. Mix it really well and turn off the flame. Now we'll remove it in a serving bowl and top it up with some sesame seeds and spring onions. And yes, honey chili potato is absolutely ready. I really hope that you liked the recipe, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.